In this video, we're going to show you how to install the air filter on your Hummer H3. It's located under your hood. Now you open up the hood and locate your air filter box right here on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Around the perimeter, you're going to locate these little metal tabs, the little spring clips. Just push those outward. Sometimes they can be a little stuck. Now, if you can't pop that out with your finger, go ahead and grab a flathead screwdriver and just gently pry that off. Lift this up. Now on the fender side here, there's going to be these 3 tabs that lock in over here. Go ahead and set that aside. Now this is your air filter unit right here. Go ahead and slide that off the canister like so. Now in installing your air filter, it's key that you pay attention to this here. There are notches right here on the left and right hand side. And if you look inside the base, there's going to be this tab right here. This fits inside one of these here. So as you line this up, push this on, and make sure that that air filter fits on that and it pushes down. If you don't do this, you will not get the air lid box back on. If you look on the bottom side here, there's another one of these here that lines up with the other notch on your air filter. Go ahead and line this up, it drops right down into place. And go ahead and snap up your spring clips. Go ahead and close your hood and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.